So now I have my 6 centimeter rib, and I'll go ahead and continue. I'm going to make one knit round, and decrease 3 stitches. I still have 39 stitches, decreasing by 3 stitches. That means I'll remain with 36 stitches. Let me just control that I have not lost any stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. That is 38 plus 1, that is 39. So I have all the stitches, and by this time you can try this finished part on, just to see if it can go over your wrist. Yeah, this is just, the camera is too near. Yes, this is exactly this. I'll close it off after finishing. So that is the way it should look. Now I'll continue. So the next round I'm just going to knit and decrease 3 stitches evenly on the round. That is, I have now 39 stitches, so I'll decrease every 39 divided by 3, that is 13 stitches. So I'll reduce 1 stitch every 13 stitches. That is what it means to decrease the stitches evenly. So now 1 stitch is already knitted, so I'll continue to make the other 12 stitches, meaning I'll count 11 stitches and then knit the last 2 stitches together to reduce 1 stitch. Those are 2. No, I am knitting, not ribbing. So I have to undo this. The ribbing is finished. So I'm just knitting. 1 2 3 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then the last two stitches before I make 13 stitches will be knitted together. So then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last two stitches to make 13 are knitted together. This is how you do it. These are 2 stitches, just knit them together. Then 1, 2, don't have to count because these are the last stitches, which should be 13, and the last stitches are just knitted together before the end of the row. These are the last 2 stitches, so I'm going to knit them together. So, and that row is finished, and now I'm going to change my knitting needles here, because I'm now going to knit with slightly bigger needles. This is 4mm. Why doesn't this show? Yeah, there you go, 4mm. This I'm using interchangeable knitting needles. We used 3.5. Where is this? Where is it written? Where is it written? Here we go. This is so difficult to see. Oh my gosh, not the other way around. There should be somewhere there. Oh no, you can't show. So, just go ahead. So, and now I'm going just to go ahead and make stockinette stitch. That means knitting on all the rounds until I have a length of 10 centimeters. That means about 4 centimeters more. Then I'll start working the thumb. That is approximately, because every centimeter is about 2 rows, so that will be around 8 rows approximately. I'll just go round and round until I have my 10 centimeters all together. I will continue and come back when I'm finished. With my 4 centimeter length of stockinette stitch.